Hey everybody, this is Johnny Morris, founder of Bass Pro Shops. On behalf of all of us here at Big Cedar, we are very proud to welcome you to Christmas Nature at Night at Top of the Rock. We're really happy you're here. I was lucky myself to spend hundreds of very enjoyable hours marking out this little trail that you're about to embark upon. The main goal I have is just to connect people to some beautiful points of nature right here in the Ozarks, including the opportunity to go through the Lost Canyon Cave. What lies ahead for you tonight are constant reminders of Christmas time and the blessings we have, including the blessings of nature and the celebration of the people and animals that came long before us. We hope you really enjoy your journey and that you have a very Merry Christmas.
I don't know about you, but something about these long, dark winter nights always puts me in the mood for a story. Back when I was a little girl, we would come visit my grandmother at her cabin. It was right down the road from here. And she'd gather us around the fire to tell stories for hours. I'm back in the Ozarks for the holidays, and gosh, tonight really takes me back to those evenings by the fire. What do you say? Want to hear a few stories as you take a ride through this winter night? Let's start by traveling back in time to see what these woods looked like long ago, before there were houses and highways or Christmas trees and electric lights, before Table Rock Lake had even been created, before human feet ever walked upon this land. The ancient Ozarks were a realm of animals and plants, rocks and rivers. Huge elk roamed the forest and fearsome wildcats prowled in the shadows. Giant, short-faced bears towered as tall as a house, and the canopies of trees were filled with birds, squirrels, and insects. So, are you ready to meet the ancient Ozarks?
Yes.
Okay then, let's go.
I come on the Christmas tree going down, I guess going up,
sa continuous video.
No.
Watch where you go.
Yeah. Trying to run my game.
You can stop if you want to do something. Stop it.
No, okay.
Look like that's walking lion. There you go. It's walking.
Yeah.
They changed it.
Yeah.
You're good. I'm taking a video, so it's okay.
You know, the night sky reminds me of one of my grandmother's favorite stories to tell. It's the creation story of the Osage, the people who lived on this land for generations and generations. how they came from the sky. There are as many versions of this story as there are storytellers. Here's the one I know. Long ago, there were spirit beings who lived in the sky, who were the children of the sun and the moon. These spirits from the stars decided that they needed to come down to the earth and become a people. So they set out for some help. They went to the sun and the moon for advice. They went to the stars. Finally, they turned to the young golden eagle who volunteered to be their guide to the earth. Led by this beautiful golden eagle, the spirits set out on a journey through the sky. They traveled through all the divisions of heaven, journeying far and wide, searching for a new home.
They don't have music.
No? Maybe
Maybe they can hear this song.
Huh?
And they can hear our music. That's nice.
Yeah, they thought maybe it was on.
I'm trying to figure it
Yeah.
out.
No, that's me. Well, something that may be slowing down. I don't know.
Just come on,
Yeah.
okay. Don't come on.
Mm-hmm.